Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video, hopefully a nice short little video. Now on my channel I sometimes do a little bit of welding, and when you weld and video it with a GoPro you just get a bit and you don't see anything. So I was just wondering whether I could get one of these, which is a plastic lens out of gas welding goggles, you know, like on my profile picture, and attach it to the lens cover, obviously with a hole in it, and see if that would help with some welding, to see welding. So yeah, should we try it? Let's cut. I've got another one of these, so I could sacrifice this, and I don't know. Should we try it? Let's see. So I've got my little lens cap here, and this is a 29mm inch. I think there's an inch and an eighth. Don't know, but that is reasonably well fitting in there. So what I'm going to do is roughly line it up right in the middle, approximately there, and then stick it on my arbor. Is that the right one? No, wrong arbor. And drill it. Actually, I need to put a little hole in there first, make it easier with this one. Just go and get my drills. Just got a little drill, act as a pilot. Just whack a little hole through, hopefully in the middle. Middle-ish. Right, fast or slow? Don't know. Let's get it through first, I suppose. This could end in tears. Well, it's made a hole. It's not a very neat hole. But yeah, if I just tidy these little bits up with a knife, we might be alright. Well, hopefully you can't see that, because at the moment it's on. So not the tidiest, but I think that'll do. I'm not sure how to hold that onto there. I don't really want to glue it. I think I might put just some sort of double-sided foam tape on these corners just to try it and see what happens. So yeah, let's try it. So we're back to this. I think this is just a number plate sticky pad, or license plate sticky pad. I think I might just cut the four corners off and stick them on in the corners and try that. I don't know, I'm making it up as I go along, so. How am I going to get that paper off? I didn't think of that, did I? Oh, there we go. This isn't going to be pretty, but if it works, I could maybe do a more permanent fix. There. Very Blue Peter-ish, if you know what that is. Right, next I'm going to peel them off and stick that on. I think I'm going to have to do it on the camera because this is so flexible. I might glue it in the wrong place, so we'll try, we'll see. Let's Smile. Can you see anything? Well, there it is on there. So I guess the only thing we can do now is try it and see if it works. Let's set up a bit of welding stuff. Right, it's set up on a piece of work. Let's see what happens. Can you see anything yet? Well, let's wait and see how that turns out. Well, I just had a look at the footage and it's all still a bit and you can't see what's going on around, and when you think about it, it makes sense because this was quite light, and compared to what I have taken out of my old shield, face shield there, this is a lot darker than that. So what I have done, just to try it, I've just taped another one in front of it, and it is similar darkness to that now, so I think we need to try this, see what happens. Let's try this again. Right, let's check the footage, see if it makes any difference. Alright, it's quite hard to see on my phone what the footage has come out like, so I've actually moved you guys as close as I dare. And we're going to try again to see if it comes better. You're zoomed in as well, I don't know how that's going to affect the quality, so let's stick this on. Right, let's check that out. Well, I've totally forgot to actually do some welding without a filter on at all, so I'll do this and then we'll have a look, see what the comparison is. Right guys, well, this is where I'm going to ask you for some feedback. What do you think works best for you to watch? I mean, the other thing is, should I even be videoing welding anyway? I mean, I'm no good at welding really, but I know people like to see the actual sticking of metal together. Should I be using a GoPro to video welding with? It seems warm after I've done welding. I don't know if that's me or what, but there we go. I did try sticking this in front of you, and this would be nice because it would protect the whole GoPro from splatter, but it's just too heavy, and I don't know if you can get plastic ones. This is a glass one. Obviously this is nice and light, nice and compact, easy to fit, but there we go. Anyway, please leave comments below. Don't comment on me welding because there's only a scrap bit of metal, was a bit rusty. That's irrelevant for what we're doing here. So yeah, please leave some comments below and feedback and advice if you would, please. And if this is used to you, if you think you're going to do something like this, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Look at our Instagram account at larks_workshop, and yeah, hope to see you again. Cheers then.